Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make a game website using Google Sites, step by step in a simple way. By the end, you'll have your own site ready to share with friends or your audience. First, go to Google Sites by typing sites.google.com into your browser and sign in with your Google account. On the home page, you'll see a blank template option. Click the plus button to create a new site. Right away, you'll see a clean layout with a header, title, and page sections. Start by giving your site a name, something like My Game Hub or Playzone. This will appear at the top of your site. Next, focus on the design. On the right-hand panel, you'll see themes you can choose from. Pick one that matches the style of your game website. Bold, colorful themes work great if you want it to feel fun, while minimal themes are nice if you're keeping it professional. You can adjust colors, fonts, and even upload a custom banner image, maybe related to the games you'll feature. Now let's add content. Use the Insert panel to add text boxes where you can write descriptions of your game, instructions, or updates. You can also insert images, for example, screenshots of your game, logos, or characters. If you have game trailers or demos, embed YouTube videos directly onto the site so visitors can watch them instantly. To make your site interactive, you can also insert buttons that link to download pages, social media, or a feedback form. For navigation, you'll want multiple pages. Click the Pages tab and add new sections like About the Game, How to Play, Updates, or Contact. This keeps your site organized and easy to explore. Google Sites automatically adds a menu so people can switch between pages quickly. One great feature is embedding. If your game is hosted online, you can embed it with an iframe or a share link so players can try it out directly on your website without leaving. Just go to Insert, choose Embed, and paste in your game link or code. This is perfect for if your game is built with platforms like itch.io or Scratch. Once you've added all your content, preview your site using the eye icon at the top to see how it looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile. This helps make sure it looks good on all screen sizes. If something looks off, adjust spacing, text size, or images until it feels polished. Finally, when you're ready, click the Publish button. Choose a web address for your site, like sites.google.com/view/mygamehub, and make it public if you want others to see it. You can share the link directly with friends or even connect it to a custom domain if you want a more professional URL. And that's it! In just a few steps, you've built a game website with Google Sites. You can keep updating it anytime, adding new levels, features, or news about your game. This is the easiest way to get your game online without needing coding or complex tools. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.